I'm not videotaping. An entire hike through the woods.
Is there a time limit?
No, there's not a time limit. As you can tell, I just tripped. Oh god! Oh, that hurt. Oh crap!
Oh god, Trevor.
All I'm doing is watching this iPod. Oh wait, there's a tree. This is the hardest camping trip or hardest hiking trip I've ever had. Technology is my best friend, which is not a good thing right now.
Wait, what?
I said technology is my best friend.
Oh.
It's not a good thing right now because all I'm doing is looking through this.
Oh.
I really hope it has good images because there are probably roots around here.
Yeah. I hope this is the way we need to go.
Yeah, me too.
Cause I was fucking
Oh wait, there's a blue dot on that tree. Yep, we're going the right way. There we are. Okay, it's all good.
I made some rope. It's my choking rope.
That is what is going to hang me later. So if you ever see this, and I'm not the one showing you to me, it's because I was eaten by a bear. Because he's not really gonna hang me. I hope.
Oh fuck me!
Oh damn!
Shit! This is already going out.
Oh! There's another root there. There's another root there.
Oh my god!
Okay, we're back on the track. Oh, look at the tree. ADD.
80D. 80D. 80D.
See?
80D.
It's blue!
God, now I'm gonna fucking. Whoa!
It's in a box.
It's in a box. It's in a box. Ooh. And now watch Miss Mandy. Watch this. And ask us what's in the box.
What's in a box? The money for the trip. Really? Yeah. Where's the box? You don't want to see the box. Why? Cause yeah, that's a long story. Look, it's grass. I like to see a close up. Let's get a close up of the grass. Look at the grass.
Dude, seriously. Will you just hand this in? Be like, here. We put you so much in trouble.
Why?
Because we're cussing and making.
I can delete the audio and add new audio.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh my! Oh, what does that look like? The tree's got a penis. The tree's got a penis.
Wait.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Give it a blowjob or something.
Oh my god. It's the most fucking random ass trip ever.
I've never been so random in my entire life. Oh, leaves.
My god. My goodness.
Oh, I think my finger might be in the way. There we go. Jabe,
Hey everybody, look at the spiky balls.
Jabe, if I ever run into you randomly and you're high, this is what I'm gonna make you watch. Because it'll make you seem not high. Everything will look normal.
Weed.
Yeah, that was a weed tree. Look, we are venturing in the dark hole. Venturing. It's a tree.
There's a lot of those.
Oh god, Jabe, there's no more blue dots.
Oh fuck.
I think we went the wrong way.
No.
We're lost. It's okay, let's just start hiking through the woods.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so lost. Oh god, there's a fucking Wookiee.
Ah!
Oh my god. Now we are dangerously lost in the woods.
And mudslide.
Oh my god, it's an avalanche. I've come across some random retard running. He's frolicking in the woods. He stopped.
Hey, blue dot.
Okay, I think we're going the right way. There's a blue dot.
They switched sides.
That's retarded. The blue dots are not on the other side of the tree.
Trevor, don't take a picture of me peeing.
Now I'm going to videotape this strange beast peeing. Actually, no, I'm going to go pee myself. I just took a leak.
You just need to show this unedited to the whole class. And we'll be like, dude, P1 is rated G.
For Gary.
That's good, right? No, it's rated G for Gary.
Oh my god.
Blue dot.
No, oh my god.
What?
We're sorry, this video has to end.
Why?
I seem to only have 20% of battery left.
Oh, fuck.
I forgot to charge. Houston, goodbye.